Example 2. The skyscrapers shown are connected by a skywalk with support beams. Use the Pythagorean theorem to approximate the length of each support beam. So, if I'm taking a look at this, I'm going to look at just one side. And right there, we have a right angle. Now, we know that the one leg over here is 47.57 meters, and then we know that the top up here is 23.26 meters. Now, this picture is a little confusing. Some students will look at this and say, okay, each one of these is 23.26 meters. Some students will look at these and say, okay, well, these put together is 23.26 meters. The way I'm interpreting this is I'm interpreting this is 23.26 and this is 23.26. If you interpreted it the other way, then what you would have to do is take the 23.26 and cut it in half. But let's go this direction, and we're trying to figure out the length of the support beam, which is x, and that happens to be the hypotenuse. So we're going to set up 47.57 squared plus 23.26 squared equals x squared. Now, this time, because we are dealing with decimals, we're going to do this all at once and use a calculator. And I'm going to take the square root of both sides. Now, that's going to give me x, and we're going to do approximately. And what you're going to enter in your calculator here is exactly what you see. So you're going to put the square root, and then you're going to type 47.57 squared plus 23.26 squared. And then you're just going to hit enter, which is going to give us 52.95. Which is approximately the length of the support beam. Now, when you do this and you take the square root of both sides here, what I see students do is they cross out the square root with the squareds, and then they just say 47.57 plus 23.26. That is not correct. This square root does not cancel these squareds over here, so when you put this in your calculator, you have to put the whole thing.